Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this car tech video. In this video we're going to show you the Launch C-Reader VIII or CRP129 as it's also known. We are on a Porsche Cayenne which has a faulty airbag light. There are a few other faults in this car, but don't worry about those for now. We're focusing on the airbag light. So we have this tool plugged into the OBD2 diagnostic port, and what we're going to do is click on to diagnose. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description and in the comments box below this video, so you can go and buy it on Amazon in your own time. So click on to scan. I'm going to select our vehicle, which is Porsche, and then we're going to scroll down. It covers more than 2012 models actually. It's just this tool needs a little bit of updating, which I'll be doing later on today. So we're going to click manual select, and then we're going to click on to airbag, and then we've got read DTCs. So we're going to click on to B100 B1B, driver thorax airbag igniter resistance too high. So we'd already checked this out. We've found a loose little yellow box connector underneath the driver's seat. We've since put that back in, but we do have the airbag light still showing, and obviously the fault codes are still showing on the dash here. So what we need to do is just click on to clear DTCs. Click yes to that. Succeeded to clear DTCs, and the airbag light has gone from the dashboard there. So it's all thanks to the Launch C-Reader VIII or CRP129 kit, which is a good little kit. And as I say, I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video and also in the comments box below this video. Thanks for watching this car tech video, and I hope it helps.